At Aeroqual, we've been developing innovative air quality monitoring solutions for over 20 years. The Aeroqual Ranger is our next big step, the latest evolution in our range of handheld monitors trusted by air quality professionals worldwide. Ranger is a connected portable dust monitoring solution, accessible from anywhere. With Ranger, you're able to gather accurate data on the go, in any environment, with zero downtime on factory calibrations.
We wanted to produce something that was both rugged and lightweight, fit for purpose across any application, while being simple to use and easy to hold. Ranger delivers all that and more, combining cutting-edge form and function into a sleek, integrated solution. Run for up to 24 hours in the field on a single charge, staying connected to your data thanks to Wi-Fi capability and our Aeroqual Cloud software.
Ranger simultaneously measures key pollutants using active sampling, tracking PM1, 2.5, 4, 10 and TSP, along with temperature and relative humidity. Measure up to 15 compounds, switching between measurement types in seconds using our swappable sensor head design. With Ranger, we're working to solve some of the most urgent pain points affecting air quality monitoring today.
Data loss is one of the biggest challenges you face, resulting in time and energy spent going back to a job site to resample the data. Having a cloud-connected monitoring system helps solve that, with automatic alerts sent to your email or mobile. Having to physically travel to the job site to check up on data logging can be a real burden. Plus, if something goes wrong, you might not know about it for days. Being able to respond in real time and cut down on site visits is huge. You come to dread the delay caused by sending your instruments off for factory calibration. With other devices, it can take weeks before they arrive back. But with Ranger, a new sensor head arrives before the calibration certificate on the old sensor has even expired. Eliminating that downtime is a real game changer.
The beauty of Ranger is that you're getting the capabilities of a fixed monitor, combined with the portability of a connected handheld device. Eliminate data loss, cut down on site visits, and experience zero downtime with the future of air quality monitoring.